We'll guide you through how to retrieve archived text messages on an Android. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So perhaps you went and archived a conversation and message, and you now want to go and retrieve it and recover it. We're going to guide you through this. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go and tap and hold on this, and then I'll go and press the archive button at the top, and it's now been archived. Let's retrieve and recover this. So what you need to do is you need to come to the top right of messages. There, you go and see the little profile icon, the user looking button. Go and tap on it, and it'll then open up this screen here. You want to come into the list, more from this app, and you want to go and find the option for archived, and you can go and tap there. Then you'll go and see the different archived conversations and messages. You can just go and tap on it and go and look at it, but to go and retrieve it, what you can do is tap and hold it, select it, and press that upwards arrow icon, and that'll then be an archived. Come back and it's back. Leave a like if you found this useful.